everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Jewelry Canada. Today we are going to be making some stretch bracelets, and we're going to start that in just a moment. Hi everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Jewelry Canada. Today we are going to be making some stretch bracelets. You are going to need your elastic. You're going to need some beads. Today we are going to use some blue beads and some white beads. Okay, you're going to need some clear nail polish, a pair of scissors, and I'm using this bead design board, this bracelet bead design board right here. Okay, so let's get started. You're going to start by picking out a design with your beads. So I'm going to do one white, one blue, one spacer, one blue, and then one white. So I'm going to put those together to fill my circle. It also equals about, what does it say? This one says 7 3/4 inch center line, okay? So, or 8 inches, whichever you prefer. So I'm going to fill this up. I'm not going to record that because that's just boring. But you figure out 8 inches worth of beads, or pick out the beads you want, and then meet me back. Okay, I'm back and I made my design. So I'm just going to move the beads out of the way. Try not to drop them. So now what you do is you take your elastic, and what I'm going to show you is something that a lot of people don't do, and this is why their bracelets stretch. So what you want to do is you want to prime your elastic just like you would a balloon before you blow it up. Okay, and what this prevents is later, after you've worn the bracelet for a while, it's not going to stretch. Sometimes your bracelets will stretch. Okay, so I leave my elastic right on the spool, and then you just start stringing it. Excuse my nails. They are not so great. Okay, I'm working around the camera so I can't find the hole there. So now you're just gonna string on the the beads, and then you're gonna meet me back and we're gonna knot it. Okay, so I'm not gonna make you sit here and watch me string beads because, once again, that's boring. But you know, if it's something that you wouldn't mind watching, like if it had a music soundtrack or whatever, leave a comment, let me know. I also would love to know where you're watching from. It always amazes me how far my videos reach all around the world. So, okay, string your beads, meet me back. Okay, so I have them all strung. Okay. So now you want to make sure that you are started with the opposite color than you're ending with, so that the pattern continues. So now what we're going to do is we're going to tie our knot. So you're just going to do a regular knot, and then when you go to do your next knot, instead of doing 2 underneath, you're doing 3. Can you see that? See how I got 3 little spins under there? And then you're going to pull it tight. And then you're going to pull it tight the other way. And then you're going to pull it tight. Okay, so this is where the nail polish comes in. You're going to take your knot, and you're going to take your nail polish, and you won't be working around a camera, so this will work easier. And you're going to put a dab of nail polish on that knot. Okay. Then you're going to take that knot, You're going to trim it about that big. And now you're going to pop that knot into a bead. See what I did there? Okay. And there you go, guys. You have a finished bracelet. Let that knot dry. It'll be tucked into a bead. And yeah, there's your bracelet. So check my description. I put all kinds of goodies in my description. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye now.